Jesus!
Ella, what is it?
It's nothing, ma. Blood of Jesus.
What is your problem? Why are you screaming blood of Jesus?
Nothing, ma. Nothing. I just remembered something. Oh my God.
You just remembered something and that's why you're making noise. My friend, do that thing fast and get out of here.
Okay,
Stop
ma.
making noise.
Okay, ma.
Nonsense.
Oye!
What is it?
Come and see, I just saw something strange now under the chair while I was sweeping.
Something strange?
Yes.
Something like what?
I saw something like voodoo. A clay was tied with red cloth and toys tied with...
You mean